July 1996, Junior. Start. Mr. Speaker, Sir, I am glad to speak a few words on the education demand. Many honorable members have spoken on it, so I do not propose to refer to the points mentioned by them. However, I will speak about the quality of education provided in the schools and colleges at present. Many of the students who pass out of the educational institutions are now finding it very difficult to get a job under government or any private organization. I think the education received by them in schools and colleges now does not perhaps help them to secure jobs. We must carefully consider the reasons for the present situation. In my view, the syllabus for the various courses of study should be suitably changed. I suggest a committee consisting of educationalists, industrialists, and representatives of government should be set up. This committee should examine the present syllabus and find out whether it suits the present day demands of government, private organizations, and other agencies which recruit staff for their respective offices. If not, the committee may suggest necessary modifications in the syllabus, keeping in view the needs of society, industries, private organizations, government departments, etc. If this is done and the students are taught as per the new syllabus suggested by the committee, it will enable the students to get a suitable job under any one of the organizations. Apart from securing suitable jobs, the courses of study should also equip the students with the necessary knowledge and training to start a small industry themselves. If this is done, the students can start their own industry in case they are not able to get a job. In this connection, I would like to suggest that the government can help those who want to start their own business in a number of ways. They can create favorable conditions. This alone can help people to raise their standard of living within a short period. Even agricultural development depends to a great extent on the supply of fertilizers, steel, and cement, which are the products of industry. Therefore, it is essential that the industrial base has got to be widened in our country. We are therefore giving all kinds of encouragements for starting more and more industries in the country. However, I assure you that this government will continue to give equal importance to the growth of both agriculture and industries. Letter from the Managing Director, National Trading Company, Mumbai. To the manager, Messrs. Raman Brothers, Chennai. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter of the 25th instant. In this connection, we have to inform you that our stock of white paper is now completely exhausted. We are, however, expecting a further supply at the end of this week. Immediately on receipt of this, we assure you that we shall be able to carry out your order in full. We hope and trust that this delay on our part will not cause you any serious inconvenience. Referring to your inquiry about paper envelopes, we enclose a copy of our illustrated price list for your examination. We may state that these envelopes are of the best material and feel sure that they would meet with your entire approval. We trust that this will enable you to place your trial order with us. Thanking you in advance, yours faithfully.